Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kate and this is my show. Today's video is so graciously sponsored by Beauty Brands. Thank you so much. They just reopened a store about 20 minutes from where I live and they invited me in to come check out the new store and to get my shop on. So let's go take a look at the store and then I'm gonna do a haul of everything that I bought. Let's go. Look what the cat dragged in. Got Kelly and Timna. And we are here at Beauty Brands. Okay, so here is the store completely redone. It looks absolutely amazing. And right now they're doing a huge sale on their like $14.99 liters. You can save up to 66%. Y'all, this would last me probably a year because I got real short hair. So I love this brand too. And I need to stock up on some mascara since they're doing their $10.98 lash bash. And if you guys are watching this, this is all over nationwide, not just the store, so check it out. So what are you going after today, Timna?
Oh my goodness, so I've already got a bunch of lashes. We're gonna be getting some nail stuff. We're actually gonna be getting some tweezers. I know that sounds silly, but I need eyelash curler, I need tweezers, I need makeup, and I gotta get the leaders because they're 72% off.
I know, I was looking at those, I was like, those would last me forever.
I'm getting leaders, and I still haven't looked around. I wanna look a little bit more. I mean, they have blow dryers, curling irons, so.
All the goods, yeah, all the goods. For sure. We're pumped, we're pumped. So normally at other stores, I've seen like, Morphe brushes, but I've never seen Sigma in person, so I'm really excited. I think I might pick up some of these brushes too.
Okay. We're trying something new. I got way too much, so I told Kate she had to let me rub it on her. This is
the golden oil.
luscious.
It is definitely oily. Lalicious.
It's like a dry oil.
Lalicious?
Though. It's not.
Yeah, it's definitely a dry oil. Do I look golden and glowy like a goddess? Alright guys, checking out.
I've been seeing a lot of like it's called a protein.
Okay y'all, let's get right into this haul. I'm gonna start off with the most interesting product I picked up. I've never seen anything like this, and I know this is like a really big trend right now, so I figured, why not give it a try? I picked up the CBD Daily Candle. It is a 3-in-1 massage candle, and what you do is basically you light the candle, it smells amazing, and then it comes with this little spoon, which you can spoon out the like wax and oil, and you put it on your skin and you rub it in, and it's supposed to help with like, you know, relieve muscle soreness and stress. And I have a lot of friends who swear by CBD oil, so I figured this would be a great chance to kind of just like give it a try. So this bad boy retails for $18.98. So that was the first one. Second up, I had to go to my tried and true brand, the Original Beauty Blender. Now, I've tried everything from Real Techniques to other beauty store brands, and nothing touches the Beauty Blender. I think that this product is just, they've mastered the mystical magic of a makeup sponge, really is what it comes down to. So I pick up a new one about every other month just because they get kind of dirty and kind of grimy, and I don't really know how you clean a sponge. I don't know if you can clean a sponge. So we just get a new one and I love it. Then I've never tried this brand before. I've tried stuff from their parent company. So this is the, is it Rodial? Don't quote me on that. It is this mascara, the XXL. It's actually by Space NK, which if y'all are familiar with Eve Lom, as well as Lipstick Queen, they are a overseas, where was this made? This was made, yeah, I'm sorry, they're a British company based in London, and this is the XXL mascara. They have their lash bash going on right now, which they have a bunch of different mascaras for only $10.98. So I think this normally retails for like $22. And this is the brush, so you can see it's very fluffy. I used it today and honestly I really liked it. Normally I wear fake lashes, but I always put on mascara to like bring out my real lashes. I have very short and stubby ones, and I also have blonde ones, so a mascara every single day is a necessity for me. I have to wear it, have to. So on the topic of eyes, I picked up my favorite Ardell Wispies. These are some of my go-to lashes. So I love these. Now, when you see my lashes, when I have them on, because I don't have them on today, I don't want you to ask or think that they are natural. I want you to say, girl, where'd you get your lashes done? Or where do you pick up those? Because I like a little extra. I like a little flair, you know, just something really fun and, you know, just very feminine and floaty and fluttery. And the wispies are my go-to. I usually take them out, I cut a little bit off on the ends and then put them on, and I just feel like, oh, I love them. I love, love, love them. So sticking with the eye trend, I'm really excited. I've never tried this before, but everyone talks about it all the time. And this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz Pencil in the shade Medium Brown. So I have been using the IT Cosmetics Brow Pencil, and before that I was just using powder with a MAC angled brush. So I'm kind of branching out. I'm trying to get better. Some days my brows look like sisters, and sometimes they look like very distant cousins. So we're getting better every day. But I can't even get this out. It's stuck in here. But you guys, you should know what it looks like. It is just a pencil, and I believe, oh, here we go. So it's the pencil, and then on one end it has the little spoolie so you can, you know, fluff them up and look like a little visco girl. And then it has the other side where it is just the little, there we go. You can see the color right there. I normally do my brows darker than I guess most blondes do, just because I have the darker roots and I like a bold, strong eyebrow. This is the Sigma Large Angled Contour Brush. So my experience with Sigma, I actually picked up a mini brush cleanser pad that came in my beauty advent calendar from QVC, which if you guys are looking for the perfect gift for a friend, for a mom, for a grandma, for anyone, you have to pick this up during the holidays. You get a little beauty sample every single day for all 25 days before Christmas in December. I love it. So I was first introduced to Sigma. I have heard of Sigma forever on beauty YouTuber channels, and it's usually like Sigma versus Morphe, this, that, and the other. I've never seen Sigma in person, so I was so excited to come across the brushes. And this is the contoured brush, which I've been needing. I only really have like a powder brush, and I need to get better at contouring because I would like to look a little, you know, more chiseled and more snatched. So I'm excited to give this a try. I will definitely have to let you guys know what I think of all of these products. I will do a follow-up video probably within a month. So, okay, last but not least. Oh no, not last but not least. Then, Beauty Brands has a lot of like bath and skincare products. So I clearly already opened this to smell because it smells absolutely amazing. This is the Buddy Scrub in the Coffee and Orange Mandarin. Because I get spray tan so often, I've been addicted to really good exfoliants and getting a good scrub on and all of that jazz. So I can't wait to try this one and kind of perk me up in the morning when I get in there after working out and waking up. And then last but not least, this was recommended to me by my friend Kelly. This is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. It's oil because I have really dry skin. So she said this is amazing. It was $42, so it was a little bit of a splurge compared to the other products I picked up. But you know what? Treat yourself, girl. Try something new. Go for it. So yeah, I'm excited. Can't wait to try this one. Okay, y'all, that was my Beauty Brands haul. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to thumbs up my video and subscribe for more content. I say I try to upload twice a week, but we all know that life gets a little crazy. So until next time, guys, I'll see you soon. Bye.